All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let's take a look at our data analysis review. The table below shows typing speed X, number of errors Y, and a 1-minute typing test for 6 kids. Points in the table are plotted below. Draw a line of best fit and use the space above to find the equation for the line you drew. Show all work. So I have a ruler here. Okay. I'm going to try to angle this ruler so that I hit as many points as possible. Now, when you guys are doing this, all right, please try your best to do the same. So that's what we're looking at. All right. Yours might look different. That is fine. Okay. It's not the end of the world. Don't panic. Now, if you take a look at this, I'm hitting at this point right here, which is 26, 10. And then I'm also hitting at, let's see here, what's this, 68, 4. Okay, cool. So I'm going to use my slope formula. Now my slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're looking at 4 minus 10 divided by 68 minus 26. And 4 minus 10 gives me negative 6, and then 68 minus 26 gives me 42. So I'm looking at a negative 1/7 slope. Okay. Now I need to find my y-intercept. So back to y equals mx plus b. So here's my slope, and then I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to go with this one. So I can put a 4 in for y, negative 1/7 for m, and a 68 for x. Okay, so using a calculator, I can say negative 1/7 times 68. Okay, let's see here, math, enter, enter, negative 68 over 7 plus b. I can add that over. I have a calculator. 4 plus 68 over 7. Let's see here, 96 over 7. Equals b. Okay, or I can round that to 13.71. It's okay to round it to 13.71. Alright, so let me just erase that real quick. I'm really trying hard to write nicer for you guys. So now that I have my equation is y equals negative 1/7 x plus 13.71. Okay, it's saying, here's my equation, sorry. Using the equation you found, predict the number of errors a student who types 62 words per minute has. Well, you can type in 68 for x. Okay. So if I come back to here, we're looking at negative 1/7, 68, and then plus 13.71. So 3.99, I can round that to 4 errors. Now, guys, think about how this makes sense. Here's 68 words per minute, right? Go straight up. Here it is. Go straight to the left. 4 errors, okay? Calculate and interpret the slope of your equation using the context of this problem. The slope is negative 1/7. Okay, that means for every one less error made, you can type 6 words per minute faster. Okay, so every one less error made, you can type 6 words per minute faster. How am I doing that? Slope is rise over run. Here are your errors. Here's your typing speed. Okay. Identify and interpret the y-intercept using the context of the problem. In this problem, we found it to be 13.71. I'm not a big fan of this particular problem because what this is saying is that if I type 0 words per minute, then I will make 13.71 errors. Okay? Cool. Awesome. Alright, now the next one. The following pulse rates were recorded from 12 students. So here's my numbers. Okay? Using the box and whisker, or using space above, create both a box and whisker plot and a stem and leaf plot from the data. Include the min, the max, so on and so forth. This gives me a good opportunity to show you guys how to use everything on the stat button. Okay, if I hit the stat button, I can go to Edit. I'm going to type in these numbers right here. 64. Okay, all my numbers are in. Second, quit. I'm going to hit the Stat button again. Go to the right. One variable stats. Enter, 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 enter. Okay, now this gives me a good opportunity. I'm going to go back to check out what I typed in. 64. Oh, see what happened here? That was an L2. And this calculator doesn't have an L1. Make sure you guys don't get that one on the keystone. See? It's always good to check your errors. So if I hit Stat, Edit, here's my L1, and clear this out. Type this stuff in again real quick. Sorry for that mishap. 68, 66, 54, 76, 68, 104, 76, 78. Okay. Get out of here. Stat, calc, one variable statistics. Okay, now we're looking better. The X bar stands for your mean. The only reason I'm saying that is down here it tells you what identify the mean and mode. So the mean would be or mean 67.83. Okay, cool. Now back up here. So if I want the Q1, everything like that, scroll down. My min is 50. Q1, Q2, Q3, max. So we're looking at 56, 67, 76, 104. So what that looks like is our whisker is at 50, 56, 67, 76, 104. Okay, cool. Use the box and whisker plot to identify both the range and interquartile range. So the range is max minus min, which would give me 104 minus 50, or 54. And the interquartile range, IQR, okay, is Q3 minus Q1, or 76 minus 56. 20. Alright. Identify two different regions in which 75% of the data lies. So we're looking, every one of these spots is 25%. You could say 50 through 76. Okay, or you could say 56 through 104. Awesome. Finally, using a stem and leaf plot, just to show this to you guys so you can be able to read this. Stem and leaf, okay, stem, leaf. So we're looking at something along the lines of we have 5, 6, 7, and then a 10 for 100. So I have a 50, 52, 54, and a 58. Cool. I have a 64, 66, 68, 68, two 76s, 78, and a 104. Okay? So if I was looking for the mode here, I actually have two things for my mode. I have a 68 and I have a 76. And yes, it is possible to have two things for your mode. Okay? Awesome. Let's see if we can bust out a few more on the back, and then I'll make the second video up. Find the probability of rolling a 4 and then an odd number using a fair six-sided die. This word "and" means multiply. Okay, so rolling a 4 would be 1 out of 6. And then rolling an odd number would be 3 out of 6. Let the calculator do all the work for you. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, I got parentheses 1 divided by 6, parentheses 3 divided by 6, math, enter, enter. 1 out of 12, okay? So it'd be 1 out of 12. If you're looking for a percentage, the decimal would be 0.0833 or 8.33%, okay? Just be aware you might get any one of those things on the test. You are shooting 15 free throws and make 12 of them. What is the probability you will miss the next shot? Well, out of 15 free throws, you made 12 of them. How many did you miss? You missed 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. So 3 out of 15, 1 out of 5, which is 0.20 or 20%. Okay, feel free to use a calculator as well. Okay, last 3 parts here. In a jar there are 7 red Skittles, 6 green Skittles, and 4 yellow Skittles, for a grand total of 17 Skittles. You randomly pick one. Find the probability that it is either yellow or red. Or means add. How many yellow do you have? 4. How many red? 7. 4 plus 7 out of your grand total of 17. 11 over 17. Very good. You pick 2 Skittles without replacement, meaning you're not putting it back. Find the probability they are both yellow. Well, the first time you take one out, you have a 4 out of 17 chance. The next time you're 1 less, 3 out of 16. Okay? So that's without replacement. So parentheses, 4 out of 17. Parentheses, 3 out of 16. Math, enter, enter. 3 out of 68. Okay, very good. You pick 3 Skittles with replacement. I'm putting it back. Find the probability the first is red, the second is yellow, and the third is green. So I've got 7 red, 7 out of 17. I've got 4 yellow, 4 out of 17. And I've got 6 green, 6 out of 17. Notice I'm putting it back each time. So 7 out of 17, 4 out of 17, 6 out of 17. Boom, math, enter, enter. Yes, this is a very large number. 168 over 4,913. Okay, cool. So the second video will finish everything up here that you guys need. Take your time, use the calculator to your advantage, and you guys will be in good shape. As always, good luck. We are all counting on you.